Welcome to Prithvi Social Studies.
Namaste. In this video we are going to learn about coastal plains. Let's revise the previous part. Which river flows in the Thar Desert?
Luni River.
Name the canal that waters the Thar Desert.
Indira Gandhi Canal.
Let's learn about the coastal plains. The southern part of the peninsular plateau is bordered by narrow coastal strips along the seas. These are called coastal plains. Coastal plains can be divided into two divisions: West Coastal Plain, East Coastal Plain. West Coastal Plain lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Tell me the states of West Coastal Plain.
Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala.
West Coastal Plain starts from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, ends at Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. It is a narrow coastal plain. This plain is uneven and broken by hilly terrain. This coastal plain is known by different names: Kathiawar Coast in Gujarat, Konkan Coast in Maharashtra and Goa, Canara Coast in Karnataka, Malabar Coast in Kerala. East Coastal Plain is in between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Name the states of East Coastal Plain.
West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu.
East Coastal Plain stretches from West Bengal to Kaveri Delta in Tamil Nadu. These plains are formed by rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These plains are very fertile. These coastal plains are known by different names locally: Vanga Coast in West Bengal, Utkal Coast in Odisha, Sarkar Coast in Andhra Pradesh, and Coromandel Coast in Tamil Nadu. These Bay of Bengal plains are wide and have a large surface structure. Like the Indo-Gangetic plains, these deltas are also agriculturally well developed. Coastal zone enables rich fishing resources. Other important features of the coastal plains are lakes. Chilka Lake in Odisha, Kollar Lake, and Pulicat Lake in Andhra Pradesh. Mangrove. A mangrove is a shrub that grows in coastal saline water. Sundarban mangroves in West Bengal. The name Sundarbans is derived from Sundari trees that are most plentiful in this area. These forests provide habitat to wildlife, especially for the Bengal tiger. Till now, we have discussed about location, different names, and important features of coastal plains. Now tell me, what are the differences between East Coastal Plain and West Coastal Plain?
West coastal plain is narrow and small rivers flow here, whereas East coastal plain is broader and large rivers flow here.
Okay, wide deltas are formed by large rivers in East Coastal Plain, whereas no deltas are formed by small rivers in West Coastal Plain. East Coastal Plain is a level surface. West Coastal Plain is intersected by mountain ridges. East Coastal Plain is fertile with alluvial soil, whereas West Coastal Plain is relatively rocky with sand. Post your doubts in the comment box.
Waves are inspiring, not because they rise and fall, but because each time they fall, they never fail to rise again. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more lessons.